architect of the Indian Constitution. Shah had remarked that now it has become a fashion to keep using Ambedkar's name, which Congress leaders, including former party president Rahul Gandhi, interpreted as disrespectful. Gandhi claims that those who follow the Manusmriti are naturally opposed to Ambedkar's ideals. Now the Congress says Shah's remarks are condemnable and demanded a public apology. Big update coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. Now, let's tell you exactly what has happened. Now, we see that this came after the Congress has alleged that Amit Shah's remarks in Rajya Sabha during a debate on the Constitution show that BJP leaders don't have respect for B.R. Ambedkar and demanded an apology from him. So this has kicked out another row. And I want to go across to my colleague who's joining us, Riyanka. Riyanka, you know, the BJP has hit back at the Congress already. We're getting some reactions coming in already from the BJP on this. If you could take our viewers through latest coming in, because we see that the BJP is saying that the Congress is once again resorting to the politics of creating confusion. Riyanka.
Absolutely. Now, there is indeed a war of word that can be witnessed regarding Amit Shah's statement regarding B.R. Ambedkar being invoked by the Congress parties, which he claimed to be a new fashion that the opposition parties are involved in. This did not go well with the opposition, especially leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi had launched a scathing attack regarding Amit Shah's statement and said those who believe in Manusmriti do not respect Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was in fact the architect of the Constitution. Now, on the other hand, it was not just Rahul Gandhi but also Mallikarjun Kharge who hit back at Amit Shah's statement. But what we see, it is indeed the BJP now coming out and claiming the fact that it is Congress that is indeed going ahead and spreading a narrative of confusion and not taking what exactly Home Minister Amit Shah had meant. In fact, let me also tell you, Mallikarjun Kharge issued a very, very scathing response accusing BJP and RSS of undermining Ambedkar's contribution. So yes, what we see at the moment is there is a huge confusion that has been drawn from the side of the Congress party, where it blames the BJP of disrespecting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But when it comes to Home Minister Amit Shah's statement, he has clearly mentioned if you continue to take B.R. Ambedkar's name, it has just become a fashion, wherein he had in fact hinted towards the fact that it is the opposition who in turn does not, respect the name or the architect of the Constitution. We know that there have been several such instances where the BJP has been accusing the Congress party of targeting the Constitution. And in these debates, whether it was in the Lok Sabha or in the Rajya Sabha, we have seen the tall leaders, Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Nirmala Sitharaman, all these leaders coming out and making one very important statement, the fact that it was under the Congress party's rule that the Constitution was amended multiple times. So yes, this is now boiling down to a situation where a new controversy regarding Amit Shah's statement has been created.